Finding the perfect bathroom renovation company can feel overwhelming. With so many options on the market, everyone promises beautiful results. But once the dust settles, once the crew leaves, once the check is written, was it actually worth it? Hi, I'm Will Culleton from Bytown Better Bathtubs and Showers. And today, I'll walk you through what Ottawa homeowners say after their bathroom renovation is complete. Here's a few reviews that we've received. Let me start with this one. Very professional staff who walked us through the design and construction of our ensuite bathroom. The work was excellent and we are very happy with our new space. Thanks, Bytown Better Bath. Michael F. What stands out to me here isn't just excellent work, it's that phrase, walked us through. Renovations feel overwhelming when homeowners don't know what's happening next. When someone says they were guided step by step, that tells me communication was clear from day one, and that's where confidence starts. Here's another one. Great customer service with knowledgeable staff. They give great advice when asked and are quick to help when you have a concern. Highly recommend. Jody B. This one speaks to responsiveness. Concerns come up in renovation, and that's normal. What matters is how quickly they're addressed. When homeowners say concerns were handled quickly, that tells you the team didn't disappear once the contract was signed. Now listen to this. Our experience was absolutely fantastic. We had our total walls, bathtub, shower, grab bars completely redone. The crew are very professional, courteous, and very efficient. We are completely satisfied with the total outcome. Ronald L. Efficiency and professionalism work together. That balance is key. Fast doesn't mean rushed. Efficient means organized. It means the team knows exactly what they're doing because they specialize in it. And that specialization, focusing specifically on tub and shower renovation, allows us to refine every step of the process. Now, this next review highlights something homeowners really care about: timing. The workmanship was excellent. They arrived on time and completed the work on time, but they still took the time to double check measurements. Excellent value for service. Catherine X. That line right there, completed the work on time, but still double checked measurements, is the sweet spot. Homeowners don't want delays, but they also don't want shortcuts. When someone notices that we double check measurements, that means quality wasn't sacrificed for speed. And that's what builds long-term trust. There's also a recurring theme I see in reviews across Ottawa, and that word is relief. Relief that pricing was transparent. Relief that there were no surprises. Relief that the final bathroom feels solid, functional, and built to last. When homeowners feel relief instead of regret, that's when they recommend you to their friends and family. At Bytown Better Bathtubs and Showers, we focus specifically on tub and shower renovations. That specialization allows us to refine every step and ensures our team understands the unique challenges of bathroom spaces. Instead of homeowners juggling multiple contractors, our coordinated team works together from start to finish. That reduces delays, avoids miscommunication, and keeps everyone aligned on the same goal: delivering a bathroom that looks great and functions exactly as planned. Bathroom renovations are a big investment, and reviews give you an honest picture before you take that step. So if you're curious what your project might look like or what it could cost, start with information. The more clarity you have up front, the smoother the experience will be. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.